Good morning, dear students. How are you? Yes, I am fine, and I hope all of you are fine. So, in the last class, I have taught you about the agriculture and growth of industries in the Bengaluru division. Yes, that is the agriculture is the main occupation of Bengaluru division, and almost the people of Bengaluru division they are depending upon the rain. Yes, and Shimoga districts it is well irrigated area, and also it has sand mixed red soil, and also black soil is also available in some parts of the Bengaluru division. And the main crops of the Bengaluru division are ragi, maize, paddy, groundnuts, and various pulses. And also they grow coconut, arecanut, cotton, sugarcane, and others. So silk industry is it is cultivated in Bengaluru and Ramanagar district, and among them the mulberry is very important silk industries types. Yes, and the ragi and the rice it is a major staple food of the Bengaluru division. And Sir M. Vishwesvaraya, he is the founder of our state's industrial sector, and he implemented the forethought of Krishnaraja Wadiyar 4 that if we don't establish industries now, we cannot attain progress. Yes, and also he established some industries like in the year 1923, Vishwesvaraya Iron and Steel Industries Limited. It is very important industries in the Karnataka, and also the cement factory that is in Bhadravati, and the in the Tumkuru districts is the Birla cement factory is that is in Tumkuru. So it is also famous industries, and along with Karnataka is ranked in the export of garments in India, and Doddaballapur and Anikal. So in these two centers there are apparel parks is also established. So this is all about the agriculture and growth of industries of Bengaluru division. Yes, so let us see next point, that is art, literature, folklore, theatre, and dance. So 3 writers from Bengaluru division have received the prestigious Jnanapita award given in the field of the literature. Yes, as you know there are 8 Jnanapita awards are there. First one is Kuvempu, next Dara Bendre, next K. Shivaram Karanth, yes, and Masti Venkatesh Iyengar and Vinayaka Krishna Gokak, that is V.K. Kokak, and U.R. Ananthamurthy, Girish Karnad, and Chandrasekhar among. Yes, among this the national poet Kuvempu and the Masti Venkatesh Iyengar and the U.R. Ananthamurthy, these 3 persons belong to the Bengaluru division. Yes, and this is indication of the literary achievements achieved by the Bengaluru divisions. It's very important, and this division is known for its art and literature since ancient times. Yes, the contribution toward the literature it is in the ancient times. Yes, and the Akka Mahadevi and Allam Prabhu. Yes, so Akka Mahadevi and Allam Prabhu, who contributed immensely to the 12th century Vachana literature. Yes, they are from Balligavi of Shivamogga district. Yes, you can see the picture. In this picture, the Allam Prabhu, who is the head of the Anubhava Mandap, yes, that is situated in Basava Kalyana. Yes, and so the Allam Prabhu and the Akka Mahadevi, they are the very important Vachanakaras in the Vachana literature. Yes, and they have established this Anubhava Mandap for discussing the various concepts in that time. Yes, so that is so it is very important place where they discuss about the various subjects. Yes, and also Sri Padarayaru and Purandara Dasaru. Yes, Sri Padarayaru and Purandara Dasaru and other who were part of Dasa Parampare are from this division. Yes, so Purandara Dasaru and Sri Padarayaru these both are belonging to the Bengaluru division. Yes, they have contributed to the Das Parampare literature. Yes, so these are the some important contribution toward the Das Parampare. Yes.